Theo and Perry's probability plan. Theo the turtle and Perry the penguin met every Saturday in Sunny Park. Theo always had a notepad, and Perry always had a new game to play. "Today, Perry, we will play the Great Coin Flip Challenge," Theo declared. "But first, we must look at my theoretical plan before we start the fun." Theo explained, "A perfectly fair coin has two sides, heads and tails. So if we flip it, it should land on heads half the time, or 1 out of 2 times. That's the theoretical probability," Theo said. "It's what we expect when everything is perfect, based on the numbers and our math." Perry was already bouncing. "But I don't want to wait for perfect. Let's just try it and see what happens." Perry grabbed the coin. "This is the experimental way." Perry flipped the coin 10 times, recording the results with little tally marks. The results were 7 heads and 3 tails. Said Perry. "My experiment shows it landed on heads 7 times out of 10. My experimental probability is 7 out of 10. Theo put his pencil down. "That's different from my expected 5 out of 10. The experimental probability is based on real data, but it can be different when we only do a few trials." "Let's try the dice next," shouted Perry. "A 6-sided die should land on the number 3 1 out of 6 times," Theo's theoretical plan read. This time, they decided to roll the die 100 times. Perry rolled and rolled, while Theo carefully kept track of every single number. The result? The number 3 came up 18 times. That was 18 out of 100, which is very close to Theo's expected 16 or 17 times out of 100. "Look," they both cheered. "The more we try, experimental, the closer we get to what the numbers say we should get, theoretical." They worked together.